Android 17 marks a major leap in mobile technology. Google is introducing a proactive intelligence system that puts the user at the center, using advanced AI to drive the entire mobile experience. Traditional smartphones are reactive, waiting for your input to open apps, search for data, or copy and paste information between different tools. Android 17 changes this paradigm. By analyzing context, the system uses Gemini to anticipate your needs and execute complex workflows automatically. This transition moves us from reactive operating systems to proactive intelligence, where Gemini manages workflows, handles widgets, and provides active, live threat detection. Gemini Intelligence goes beyond basic voice commands. This advanced agent operates autonomously to manage background processes and complete complex tasks. See how Gemini handles daily tasks. It parses on-screen information, understands timing, locates parking, and prepares everything for your final confirmation. The system also streamlines shopping. Through Android MCP and app functions, Gemini can scan information like an email syllabus and add necessary items to your cart. Android 17 even allows you to speak widgets into existence. You describe what you need in plain language, and the AI instantly generates a custom interface. Gboard also gets an upgrade with Rambler, which cleans up voice dictation by removing filler words, handling mid-sentence corrections, and translating multiple languages in real time. Security is built in, with live threat detection. On-device AI actively monitors for suspicious behavior, blocks hidden SMS forwarding, and prevents malicious screen overlays. Google is also tackling camera fragmentation with vendor extensions. Now, third-party apps can leverage powerful photography algorithms like super resolution directly. For developers, Android Studio now integrates AI to future-proof the ecosystem, automating code generation and helping to migrate legacy designs to modern layouts. The complete Android 17 intelligence system unifies hardware and software to ensure AI processes run locally, securely, and without friction. Ultimately, your phone is becoming a proactive partner, protecting your data and autonomously anticipating your daily needs.